By the time you're done watching this video, you would know exactly what you need to do to start earning money as a student, as a professional, as a stay-at-home mom, regardless of what you do in Nigeria. And it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter how much you have currently. It doesn't matter how much you have made in the past. In fact, it doesn't matter how smart you are. As long as you pay attention to the things I'll be sharing with you and you apply them after watching this video, you would be able to create the desired income that you have for yourself. The reason why you are not making money yet is not because you do not have a relevant skill that can make money. It is not because you do not have a certificate for you who is a student. It is not even because there is an investment that you missed out on, or there is a money-making opportunity or scheme that you did not participate in. That is not the reason why you are not making the kind of money that you want to be making. There is only one reason why you are not making that kind of money currently. It is because you do not have one, two, or all of these things. Number one is drive. Now, everybody is interested in making money. Everybody has interest in making money. But not everybody has drive to make money. Drive is a step further than interest. Interest is a mental desire to own and to possess money, while drive is a mental desire that drives a physical action to go forth and create the kind of income that you desire in your mind. So drive pushes you to action, while interest leaves you dreaming and wishing. If all you do is wish, then know that you do not have drive. Drive makes you willing and able to take the necessary action and take them now. The number two thing is information. The right information brings the required and desired transformation. There are things you need to know, and that is what I will be sharing with you in this video. And finally, number three is action. After information comes action. Action is what converts the information into experience. It is what brings the transformation that you want to life. Now, let me give you the necessary information. Now, when it comes to dealing with money, you have to understand that there are two approaches to dealing with money. And these are not strange things. Buying and selling. Definitely, I don't need to give you a dictionary meaning or a professor stamp for buying and selling. Buying is simply taking out money from your pocket to exchange for a good, for a commodity, for anything, a service, a desired, valuable commodity. While selling is exchanging a valuable commodity, exchanging a valuable thing, exchanging value for income. And it's really very simple. Buying simply takes money out of your pocket, while selling puts more money into your pocket. The reason why you are not making the income you desire is because you're not selling. The reason why you feel you are getting more broke is because you are buying and you're not selling. So you are taking money out of your pocket, but there is no platform to replace the money that is going out of your pocket sufficiently in such a way that it increases. The only way to grow wealth is to sell more than you buy. If you can master the art of selling, you have found your one-way ticket out of brokenness, poverty, and financial mediocrity. Then you would ask me, Marv, what can I sell? You are saying I need to sell. What should I sell? I am a student. I am a stay-at-home mom. I am a professional. how can I go about selling with my job? When it comes to selling, there are 3 things to understand about selling. Number 1, identify a problem. This is how to find what to sell. Identify a problem. Too many times, people are too focused on their problems without realizing that the solution to their own problems, especially financial problems, is by looking around you and finding the problems of other people, then creating the solution to those problems and presenting it to those other persons. The answer to your financial situation is in this question. With my skills, ability, talents, with the things I know, with the things I can do, with the things that I have learned over time, how can I create value that others can pay me for? So the first thing first is looking around you. What are the needs that people have? Is it a need for information? Do people lack information on how to do a specific thing? Look around you. Probably it's a type of meal that is unavailable in a certain area, and you know that a lot of people crave and desire that. That is a problem. It could be a commodity, probably like a piece of material, a clothing, a facility, a gadget, whatever it is that you notice that people are in need of, they are looking for and cannot readily find. That is a problem that you can become a solution to. And when we are looking at the matter of problem, you need to be intentional with the scope of the market. Now, this is what I mean by the scope of the market. The scope of the market is how large the number of persons in need of that solution is, or the number of persons that have that problem. Do not go and start a building construction business because 3 people in your village says that they are trying to build a house and cannot find building materials. The market is narrow, it is small. Eventually, you will exhaust the need of the market, and your product, your services that you have created to sell they will rot in your market. Eventually becomes a waste of time and a waste of effort. So you need to be intentional with the size of the market. Whenever you're looking out for a problem, ensure that there is quite a fairly large number of persons with that problem, such that once they buy, there are more persons that can keep buying and keep your business moving and going. Number 2 thing to do is product innovation. Now, I say product innovation because I tend to prefer products to services. Now, for those of us who have skills that we can package as solutions to people's answers, probably you're a graphic designer, probably you are a master at managing the emotions, probably you're a leader, probably you are somebody who understands how to build confidence in people, probably you're somebody who has one ability or the other. It could be a skill, it could be a knowledge. You need to focus on products, not just services. So as a graphic designer, there is a number of flyers, there is a number of designs, there's a number of creative designs that you can create in a given period of time. And when time is brought into the equation of money, your ability to create money becomes limited because time limits your ability to create money. You can only create, let's say you can only create 7 designs in a week and you charge 20,000 naira for each design. That means that you can only create, I know maths well. So 20,000 naira times 7, that's 140,000 naira, right? Do the math with me now. Or you don't know math? If you are interested in money, you have to know math. Okay, you can only create 140,000 naira in a month, in a week rather. You can only create 140,000 naira in a week as a graphic designer. Now, if you take that knowledge that you have as a graphic designer and package it into a course, That has become a product. Now you take that product and sell it for 5,000 naira. You've created the product already, you've created the course, probably a video here, another video, let's say 5 videos in all. It takes you about 2 days to create that. You have that. Now you can take this video and sell to as many persons as possible. You can sell to 100 people, and if that is 5,000 naira per course and you're selling to 100 people, that is already 5,000 times 100 is what? 500,000. If you sell to 1,000,000 people, that is how much? 50 million naira. So products are not limited by time. It is now the next phase of building relationships, building your scope of influence, building the numbers of persons that get to see you, trust you, like you, and then can buy from you. And that we'll be addressing in other parts of this video. How to leverage attention to create transaction. I'll be creating a video on that, and that is why you want to click that subscribe button right away. That subscribe button is free. You will not pay anything to anyone for subscribing to any channel on YouTube. So click that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you will be the first to know when I make that video on how to build people's interest and attention in what you do. So product innovation is now the process of packaging the solutions that you notice is missing in the market. You've noticed there are a number of people that have certain needs. Create products. And I'm not saying do not do services too. Offer your services as solutions, but also create room for products. Products give you leverage. And finally, master selling. Selling is the art of influencing people to move in the direction that they already want to move to. That is why you have to start with a problem that they have, so that it would not be very difficult. You would not have to deceive them, since it is a solution that they already desire. All you would only need to do is to persuade them to pay a certain price for a certain desired value that they have. That is now the process of selling. Master the art of selling. And I will be doing a more comprehensive video on how to sell and how to dominate the market with your product. But for the purpose of this video, you need to realize that asking people to come and buy your product is not selling. You have to first start by making the person realize the benefits, not the features, not what you added to the product you created, not how fat it is, not how big it is, not how robust you think it is, not what you feel about it, but what it can do for your target audience, that is the persons you want to sell it to. You have to focus on helping them realize what it can do and achieve for your audience. And if you get better at finding problems, creating solutions, and then convincing people to pay a specific amount for the value you have created for them, you will get so much better at creating a win-win situation financially, and you'll be able to forge ahead in life and create the desired income that you want and become financially independent for a lifetime. My name is Marv, and I am a sales expert and a self-actualization wealth creation coach, and I personally have made a commitment to ensuring that you get the best in life and be exactly who God created you to be and enjoy the resources that He has provided for you to enjoy. Until next time, remain and stay awesome.